Good morning, it's Jeremy here from Red LBP Property Inspections, and this morning we're looking at a property from the 80s. It's not monolithic clad, it's clad in fibre cement weatherboard, which at the time of construction would be considered the budget option as far as cladding goes. Overall it looks kind of tidy until you start looking closer, and then you realise there's lots of cracks. There's cracks in the cladding everywhere. We've got these scribers down the side of the joinery, which is designed to stop water getting in between the joinery and the cladding, and it's all rotten. So we'll come inside and see what we can find. The typical areas for water ingress is at the bottom of your joinery. And I prepared this area earlier by pulling back the carpet. Don't tell anybody I do this. And oh my goodness, it's summer, so this is all dry, but you can see water has got in all the way along this joinery. Carpet edging's completely rotten, the floor's rotten. If I pick my screwdriver up, I'll get a hole in the floor there. The skirting's and the reveals to the side of joinery are water swollen. Come along to the other side here, and yeah, it's a bit of a problem. So that's one exterior door. We come across the other side here, and we have a look here, and we've got some of the issues. Water's been getting in for many years and caused all sorts of mischief. And over here we can see have a hole in your cladding and no scriber up the side of the joinery. Water is most definitely going to get in. So the trouble with this sort of damage is it's not just the floor and the sides of the joinery, but in the case of this hole here, goodness knows how much damage has been done to the floor joists. You've got decking joists penetrating the cladding, which will not be helping. So there's going to be significant repairs required on this property. A pretty disappointing result for the owner. Okay, thanks guys.